Well, Yasaba.
Nsɛm wɔ pepɛs no mu
aka. Ɛyɛ adwuma ketewa o.
Yɛ di ke bi yɛ meyanka.
DK bi ya na kwa na oya yi.
Yɛnkɔ a.
Yɛwi are said independent info we so. Independent.
Ma yɛnkɔ online stories ɛyɛ. Yɛnkɔ online stories na online stories ya. Online stories ya wɔ hɔ. Ɛne sɛ ne Rockman capsule so. Rockman capsule so na Rock Care Clinic Limited. Ɛna o madam Roma ubi. Wɛ sa apɛ no of telephone so ubi. Mama adwa bi eto hɔ me yɛnkɔ yɛ kwan ya. And it's Rock Care Clinic Limited or Madam Roma. And the online stores, they only say they are online. No, yeah, back on my John online, Adom online, Yanni, the idea will more Yanni a car, a bemo, nay, Adom online, the hour, the abba, and some woman papa. Rockman comes to say, nay, we are bad man, I'll tell you, and say, walk out to Joshua now, how it's us and pass to grow away. You won't difference, you won't difference, you won't difference, because baby, you are. Won't you would as what did Japan in Aka West said, this is more to me, this is more debt, any idea, but Madiana Copper, Rockman capsule to the issue. Now, to be more, they be am cut to say, I bench you, and I say, Kubencio, the count with the end, you come. A baboy, papa, but to the Bema, impotency, and I say, would the Pariana, why, we are not patient, never say, and more, papa, a low spam card, the beauty didn't come when you're born in a moment, Kubencio, money yakasi, money yakasi, didn't the amount of Muyere. They saw the mitri. After rock capsule, so a idea stress now also. And I was simu and I do war when I'm young, rock capsule, sebabo, rock garlic messa, a idea was suddenly I ate tia. Ninano idea, no subabo, they be unable. Hypertension, I began so on me water. Now, ain't to be a normalizing my asthma, now infection, Nina. Rock garlic messa, between free one amount. Mala rock, ya chronic malaria, and a 2 free or chronic malaria. And a 2 free or mala rock na fe rock tonic no where yadi na fe untumi ndidi eni nyina na betimi adiabo anemia na sa eye moja emu fi nyina no e 2 free ho e de mount dum ni enu bom ubenya bi ewo Kumasi Alaba woni sika osika no e di hwe enu mo nkran Adenta Pantan Junction Madina Wasini Road Anglican number no ye 0244 183 230 0244 183 230 me frase afri Adom online na obeka say Ras Mubarak baka say the sebe ezemunu woni Facebook ya wa kire say dum so ni timu ntoma ndisi abunyai munyai ma ntoma ndisi mu kire mo opposition ya dey mo kwa no mako opposition papa ya no sa twa no ho so mo keka bi kire no no wo frɛ no so no an kan no aso bo a obacho wo ma fa twa no woni say oka ezemunu wan kan sem papa ye no adomonline.com sa asem no ebutuo ye ho asem aba be pie mo afi dum so no yanka se nipa ye Ebenezer Taylor bi de abetudwa se ohiani ohiafo nko na sudum so ho asem dum so abai ehiafo nko na eso ehiafo esikafo sudum so ese so mo light generators ni ade am di adwuma inventors ni ade o matoto bi nei Kofi Adoma kura se ba ko bi kura de 800 Ghana pe so ko anim nei dum so ya mo bena bebrebe ni nyina kom na de mo enu ntina mo bobena yi enu ya adomonline.com afi opiem o myjoyonline.com wa wono so the same p na dia betudwa some of myjoyonline.com ejavoda fofo na so myjoyonline.com asle ya o so e de some betudwa hwe mo minority leader na butu wei wo atire say ya dia say wono no oti wei mercy o wono minority leader say chairman sabos wei mercy ankasa the whole world footballer won na di kan kura wono no wo ba MPs mu MPs of MPs ya what so eni ti samu be yina firi onam de dombote sabe we antre dombote a we antre but minority da na ka dombote udi ni minority na boy nyamia wan ka ite powers eni wan ka buko mbanku wo se dombote ko fa kokora dombote di ni begidam so onu na emebo bo no ma odi eni o wa trouble pa ba John online ena de sa asem na tudwa minority leader ena wo ka sa asem hwemu a na ya de a radio hospital ho nsem eno so ewo my John online enkwala ya wo mo ho nsem ewo mu okọ entertainment ya myjoyonline.com wa o say are we not influential ade gospel musicians da no ETV for program mo ya ohwe mu gospel musicians so ni bedupe ena wodi award ni bie no kura no what so 50 something ya wo mo tell say arintin so ni bedu kura wo figure ha wo Ghana ni de asu nya ha no wote ya no so mo ka mo nya influential na asadan ehun asem wo mo His Excellency ni watara meeting de obepam eno so ma join online de bia ba no so ko online ya eno no Rock Care Clinic for adawroma ena wo mo so ya sere ene ya kwa asem kase ya na mi se danfo jai ena edi asem kase ne bre na enkomo ye bedi ye fa den
unu aba tenge oni ga traditional council ni celebrities
vigil no en ho nkomo ne ye bedi vigil tenge vigil ho asem ne ga afo yi ho asem na lafo wulo mefo mo be fro ba na mo fro o mo committee no ho asem ne ye bedi da fu ja simi ka jo sende wunya da fu ja betese a ebe bo papa wo sisimu na ya wo ya anasa wo kwa jana ya obi ate wo nka wote so wode aso wo ntema wo ja so ne tu na paye ba na otu ni na asesew enya de ebe bo wo adua ne pa na se wan ye adua ne pa kura na odi krati ya wiesu we buy de yi abomode anom betesi bi na ntumi mo wo kwa jana bia flexibility yes ne okosia pepefu esa be minu anu ya mo fi no fi omu ja mo na keke nkuruma no omu di ntie horom na abesen bo so de ja di fufuo ni ade na ha ho pass ni tipaye mesra pace hypertension ene be ma ummu aduma papa ni nyina betes ne beboa dafu ja mesa no eno de infections ahodo e wo ma wo de po ene mema wo dwiri ni nyina be ye firi ho na na bo ache wo kan sinkran wo kan sikenso ko Fred Mercy Colina Kumase mensa e wo takra the unique capsule ma obogo so wa atabdo fie e wo takwa obo asesma herbal so nyane Mose Pharmacy Green Life Pharmacy number no 0207872155 0207872155 Dr. Aslo ne Mama Ruby na pay etiam papa Madam Roman om de danfudi abegu monte so na pay mama nchia obrɛ nkoko George Jawu George Jawu na pay metia papa nkoko no omba no na weakness by sickness eno ntina ya da wo re nkoko no mama da nase me de bra wa waku mom de akoso obi fridge wo mama da nase wotu ho ye dede wa no tenten se so holy Dominic yankwa.
Some developments has come up since the last time we met the delegation of the celebrities, and today we had to meet them again. And even before in our first meeting with the celebrities, we indicated to them the concern of the ban on drumming and noise making. But they told us, they assured the police that this is not one of a demonstration. This is not one that is going to generate noise, and they are going to ensure that this vigil is within the permissible level of noise that should be expected. And today we had to invite them again due to the letter we received from the Ghana Traditional Council.
I understand now the celebrities don't have the police permission to go ahead with the demonstration.
For now, we have not finalized arrangements.
So they don't have permission?
We have not finalized arrangements.
No, we want to be clear. Without any ambiguity, they don't have permission? No,
if you don't finalize arrangements, how can you go on a demonstration? We need to finalize it. There are certain developments coming. There are certain dynamics. So these issues must be addressed. So when we address them, then we can give the go-ahead finally. That is why I said we have not finalized arrangements yet.
Various groups have spoken about Dumsor, and it does not seem like we are getting a solution. It does not seem like it is being taken seriously enough. And we've moved from something which was a shortage of energy to an energy crisis, which is now becoming an economic crisis, and it's affecting people's lives. And it does not seem like all that people have said has had an impact on the government. In other words, it does not seem like the government is doing enough about it. And I'm choosing my words carefully because this is not one of those problems that defies human solution. But clearly this government has not been able to solve it. So the celebrities are saying that this is the time for them also to speak up about it, okay, and add their voice to the general concerns within the Ghanaian populace, okay? So they are adding their voice at this time because they've waited all these years believing that the government will do something, but not much has been done. It has not been effective, and we are all witnesses to the fact that promises have been made and have not been received. So what you are calling frustrations indeed are in a certain sense frustrations, but they have led to the achievement of the goals of this vigil even before the vigil. The whole essence of this vigil is to make sure that this issue of Dumsor becomes front and center, and that the government sits up and takes notice of the fact that people from the highest to the lowest, from managing directors to anybody below, poverty line, is affected by this thing. And we want it to become important to them as it is to us, so they will sit up and do something about it. So yes, in a sense, it's a bit frustrating because it's a democracy, and there's a quotation that those who make peaceful protest impossible make violent revolution inevitable. And it's therefore not too good that you get all these kinds of resistances when citizens are purporting to embark on a peaceful and lawful civil action. If you do that, what other avenue do you leave them with to vent?
Oh, Rally Jacobo.
Yeah, but I'm wishing you could happy birthday.
Ah, Lakai. Oh, Dominic, I mean, I say that, but that's you cry.
One day, Dr. William shared the same birthday.
Wow.
And then 12th of May.
Wow.
See, and then I would another year added to his age. And I remember I don't know my money in the man I come and from.
Yeah, just surprise party. Yeah.
Ah, I may more than
the question should be that you go, you are
a case. And I remember I don't know my about Treman in the Yemen Yansa, wounded in an answer now, no mood say. Now, when yes, come run bottom. And no more when ye, Nadia, I want to come a swap or pen one ya. Aha, na a bushian to the camera. And the cars I can see, or Bobon I can see now when Yamana Sanka or used to do. Amen. Turn to me 0302 211 701 702 703. A beer humano. Lies, I be any in Alpha Vigilia. And they are both for Diabos, Mumu, Mamma, more permission, so I'm going back vegetable. I feel besides, I didn't cry Busum because, and said some will be ever buffer on to Busum, and dear has ever said, Bequasso and muscle, and Nepal, Messipin, said Babasso and muscle. Now, one more consider the other idea, some consider Lafordian, so Lafordian. So, what Laforce, Mudia, and your gun for any case, say, and a Coradia, gun for any case. Ben you almost share Mudia, and you almost a case in a case of the crime, the Becqua saying. And want some to say, and want some the name or moko now or Marco di home comment you to me about Manaso 1760 a Tesla, I bet me a do test the Afaho. Or say, Ewa, must was able to acquire.
Mejosu Miniaba.
You young quay.
Miniaba, my member about Sony Jumason Woody, when you're my him, you know.
Yeah, that was
Miniaba, Medina Casaya or Sabunsu, Ato, plans, Ami Obuko. And yet, say, Vigil, no, me pesa embraso. Vigil no me pese emraso.
As I always say,
Ghana for up to now, say ye makwan, ama obi opeso China dream bia on China dream. Bibia he obi opeso ye bia onye. Because on Mampeni John Dramani mama, ashe boss say Doomson obe ending very soon. Doomson obedi hu juma ama Ghana for nyina ho ato. But yet se nipa bi wo ho na so mo kumantom yem no person mo coverage and no person ye demonstration. We should just leave them. But sa nipa kro no anso mo ye celebrate no. Say etru ba bi so no Mampeni bomodin. They should come out and praise on Mampeni.
Exactly.
Me ade ba kwa ha mo celebrate in say. Mampeni modin bo they've not talk about it. But ade kito bi ato che wono na so mo kan etru ba bi a no man penisu ya de omumra meka they should criticize.
Yeah, that's no I drink say and a GTP no style na asha atade kama GTP no style na fe meme de no Doris D ya o dance so my curve ni mu sharp curve dance so my and a Doris D e wo Canada says o mo pama de no first one yon one second one no and a pam ye and a pemichi and a person say and I look nice this morning. Say hello to Dillis of Central Police Station Takrady and Daniela. Yeah, or MTTU, I love them. If you could feel or between and tell me the Doris Z number at the betuja. Karim Akwaba.
Yeah, Mohoti saying.
Yeah, me say, Papa, I am going.
You any make ya me honorable MP Jamba for order number 2. Meaning say delegation beto Obama no. I mean yaba. Sa dumso demonstration ya koi. As I say, also. Media. Policy for na mana nkoso a medi omo yi apa eze policy ni ba no bisa na nsema o kan se yenya ma omo kwan musuma ma omo kwan na sa dum so kro ya wo ho na yenkrofo no bi aban kasa mafo no bi na omo abedi atem na omo atan be pa chew ndi se dum so kro an nkoso a ebe ma ye president mama ni na ban no de na policy for so omo ma ban no nyusu omo na traditional yi no so ese sa ayi no noise making no baby omo ye no eno kura enka ho nti ye hwe no so se ka ho na se enka no omo to omo nye
That's why Papa Honey Chay or Boise or see who said dimples or my pumpum. Before head Namsi or Henny as a word, I won't go any out there. My man call big better than anywhere who air condition specialist here. Would you want your now number 0279 Now, Mamma sat down my lucky man, King Kansas Senior, I was a light in my home. Which you have Doctor, young quay.
Now the Georgia Waka.
Georgia pay.
More than power. Do what you want with you.
Papa. And go quality a baby or Hona, Kakaya, Bafas, and the assembly. Was Dominic, Baba Mano, because Dominic can carry me, Chiano Dominic here into Mamma Mano.
Pass out to them, you also show fast, which you pass out them, own friend, my friend.
Yeah, Tianqua.
Nana, Ghana, I say, you will say it to me a demonstration into your best. The Ghana,
Bianca, so only who cry you. Now, we are demonstration according to now, according from
Nana, as a crime battle. Because Obiak to me and your choir, and the other will be super pet, a choir, a queen, and the other catch and say, well, Monsieur, I have Bosomo, a Bosomo, one crown, big gap. Not in case of much free cry, look, Master's way.
And they send your markets.
And they almost met how much in your million and Pim Free crying and from Rose, if we are the home in Kratas in our Papa or Mampenina or Mampenin Swaffy. In the years, our demonstration, the same penny for the or more Maconia, to me demonstration, every be a conquer my.
And I say happy birthday greetings to your lovely husband. I wish him God blessing. Ben led away by Ben or that's Papa Power. Say good morning, and I like your hairstyle, hairport for the Hema, me and Pro before. And I don't jam stars here. This is
okay, Sammy, good morning. Apology saying. All right, it's you, Sammy.
Make you so many a pineapple, man. Yo, my main fair to do so, Namma Mama Basso. Meno Cassa, just soon, I'm one that just say, honorable Brian Champo to my better ability to Cotia to the Piazza. This all no Cocudina, where Barrett or number 4. Or say main terms you may be a medino.
Okay, there. Also read there. Hello.
You may be a medino.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
OPK will go so or save the day, say Basu Papa, na a Juma Egu, OPK, the hour, Diaba, and also Nana. Please let's tell, also let me tell you. These celebs are worrying themselves. If they won't allow them to do the vigil, they should campaign and vote NDC out. If in Mubarak or if in Avrungo, and what they buy, will be seen the birthday, we saw one for Udi and Kahu. Emom Action Aid, Penimo, or Tamale. Was some country of mine said these days, and I hope Feba Bacorano. And I pay it out, Papa, and no one catch them some country war. Was why I find Papa, one a
better guy,
one a pammy.
And over it because you should pay. Koiki money. In here, Obidia, but it's just a GCB on the lay of 500 workers.
GCB, Ghana Commercial Bank.
I won't kind of say GCB Bank.
Oh, me, I can't know more than year. Ghana Commercial Bank. What will be a pump for
500?
Almost almost one.
The Ohono, a switch ADB. And when meet him, Manasseh, a cussy says, who's your Manasseh? Not
be a baby.
Hey,
Zam. Now, yes, you cry. And now, and also met yes, Upia more TMA. Yes, how dear guy. One cry, you want to be near my light and near my almost season. Want to meet Ria? Yes, it's a cab by never, so I can't depend on for Nufu, a TMA. What was the answer? Because we articulated we articulated driver. Nasa Ubu traffic light. The Ubu traffic pole back. Ukubuno, Bawachina Buno. Na company na share na sine charge o na omo ju 2,500 so omo de cut off na so omo antona de na omo de na wasade ewi de oji ye wadi ewi omo receipt in there dada na bom dada no ado de abesi ho am robbers thieves killers okay devils hey jo mama bro me say politicians ni am robbers there ebi na mom civil servants bi oh chekule wa manu tententi wa bo so na omdo omanu be ka politician ni yes am ketwa could buy a land wo mu go properties o ma ye you okay Chief Ame, are you ready? Chief Ame,
Are you ready?
Authentic sports.
Chief Ame.
I can't see no de bre.
Chief Ame.
Ame atopebuo.
Chief Ame.
Ame sisimubuo.
Man trust you I do better to us na mo nyina. I can't do that can see bro.